The difference between profitable businesses and struggling ones often comes down to how they track where their money goes. If you've ever found yourself drowning in invoices at month end, or discovered your team has been overspending without your knowledge, you're experiencing what countless business owners face every day. I'm Jeff from Proseer. We help businesses transform their financial systems, and today we're focusing on the two critical components of expense management that impact your bottom line: managing vendor bills and tracking card expenses. In the next few minutes, we'll cover strategies that will give you complete visibility into your spending, helping you make better financial decisions and save valuable time you can reinvest into growing your business. If you want more actionable financial strategies like this, hit subscribe. We release new content every week designed to help business owners like you build stronger financial foundations. So let's get into it. Poor expense management costs business owners in three critical ways. First, there's the direct financial cost: late fees, missed early payments, discounts, and undetected wasteful spending. Second, there's the time cost: hours spent chasing receipts, approving invoices, and reconciling at month end. And third, there's the opportunity cost: making decisions without clear visibility into where your money is actually going. What many business owners don't realize is that vendor bill management and card expense tracking are fundamentally different processes requiring different solutions. Modern approaches to both can dramatically impact your profitability and free up significant time. Let's explore 7 strategies that successful business owners are implementing today. Strategy number 1. Digital bill intake and processing. The first game changer for business owners is implementing a digital intake system for all vendor bills. No more lost invoices, no more missed payment deadlines. Modern bill payment solutions like Bill.com or Ramp create a central digital inbox for all your invoices. Bills get to the inbox either by email forward or direct upload. The system then extracts key information like due dates, amounts, and vendor details automatically. The business impact is immediate. You'll capture early payment discounts that were previously missed. You'll eliminate late fees from invoices that fell through the cracks. And perhaps most importantly, you'll have a complete audit trail of every bill, making tax time and financial reviews dramatically easier. One business owner we worked with reduced their monthly bill processing time from days to just a couple hours using this approach. But this is just the foundation. The next strategy takes it even further. Strategy 2, automated approval workflows. For growing businesses, the approval process often becomes a bottleneck, with invoices waiting on the owner's desk or worse, in their email inbox. Modern bill payment systems allow you to create automated approval workflows based on vendor amount or department. High-dollar invoices can require multiple approvers, while routine bills under a certain threshold can be paid automatically. So what's the business impact? Well, you'll maintain complete control without becoming the bottleneck, and your team will gain accountability for their department's expenses. And vendors will get paid on time, improving those relationships. Most importantly, you can approve from anywhere on your mobile device, ensuring business continues even when you're not in the office. This leads directly to our third strategy, which has perhaps the biggest impact on your cash flow. Strategy 3, strategic payment scheduling. Smart business owners know that when you pay is just as important as what you pay. Modern bill payment systems like Ramp or Bill.com enable strategic scheduling of payments to optimize cash flow. You can batch payments to minimize processing fees, schedule them to align with your revenue cycle, and even select the most advantageous payment method for each situation. For example, paying by ACH may save you processing fees, while paying by virtual card might earn you rewards. Some vendors offer discounts for early payment that far exceed what you'd earn keeping that money in your account. The business outcome is powerful. You maintain control over when money leaves your account, while strengthening vendor relationships through consistent, predictable payments. This approach to timing can improve your cash flow position significantly, giving you more flexibility to invest in growth opportunities. Strategy number 4 is building proactive spending controls. Traditional expense management is reactive. You discover questionable spending only after it happens. While modern systems flip this approach on its head. Today's expense management platforms, like those offered by Ramp, allow you to create cards with built-in spending rules. You can set specific spending limits by employee, department, or project. You can also restrict purchases to certain merchant categories. And lastly, my favorite, you could even create cards that automatically deactivate after a specific date or when a budget is reached. The business impact is huge. Policy violations are prevented before they occur. Budget overruns become nearly impossible, and you gain visibility into spending as it happens, not weeks later when the statement arrives. This proactive approach pairs perfectly with our 5th strategy, which eliminates one of the biggest time wasters for business owners and their teams. Strategy number 5, real-time expense capture. The monthly receipt nightmare, where everyone scrambles to find documentation for expenses from weeks ago, is completely unnecessary with today's technology. Modern expense systems use mobile apps that allow for immediate receipt capture at the point of purchase. Take a photo, the system extracts the relevant information, and it's matched automatically to the transaction when it posts to your account and your accounting system. For business owners, this means no more chasing employees for documentation when you get those questions from your accountants. No more lost receipts, no more guesswork about what a charge was for 3 weeks later, and most importantly, you gain an audit-ready trail of documentation without any administrative burden. Imagine all the time you're getting back. This approach leads directly to our sixth strategy, which will transform how you understand your business spending. Strategy number 6, smart expense categorization. Knowing where your money is going with granular detail is essential for making informed business decisions. Advanced expense systems now offer smart categorization that goes beyond basic accounting codes. You can pre-record expenses based on project, client, department, location, or any other dimension that matters to your business. Many systems even suggest categorization based on prior behavior and vendor information. It's a big business impact. You can analyze profitability with precision by client, project, or department. You can also identify exactly where cost overruns are happening. And you can make budget adjustments based on actual spending patterns, not guesswork. This detailed categorization feeds directly into our final strategy, which turns expense data into competitive advantage. But if you stay to the end, there might be a bonus right before we wrap up. Strategy 7, actionable financial insights. The ultimate goal of modern expense management isn't just tracking, it's gaining insights that drive profitability. Today's expense platforms include powerful analytics that identify patterns and opportunities you might miss. They can identify duplicate invoices or redundant subscriptions across departments, highlight vendors where spending is increasing unexpectedly, or identify opportunities to consolidate purchases for better terms. For business owners, these insights can translate directly to bottom-line improvements. One client discovered they were paying the same software vendor 3 times for one subscription because it was paid for by 3 different departments. They immediately canceled the redundant subscriptions and reallocated these funds to their sales and marketing efforts to continue to scale and grow. Another client used virtual cards with expiration dates for all their subscription trials. This way, they weren't charged past the trial date unless they really wanted to continue with that service. These programs give you a ton of control to pre-approve spend as opposed to asking for refunds if you pay for something you didn't intend to. These insights aren't just interesting, they're actionable intelligence that can give you an advantage in running your business. So let's get to that bonus benefit of using these systems. Seamless accounting system integration. Many of these modern expense and bill payment solutions offer direct connections to accounting platforms like QuickBooks Online, Sage Intacct, Xero, or NetSuite. When properly configured, these integrations eliminate double entry completely. Transactions, categorizations, and supporting documentation flow automatically into your accounting system. For business owners and accountants, these integrations create a single and real-time source of financial truth. Once an expense is captured or a bill is processed, it's automatically reflected in your financials. No reconciliation headaches, no manual journal entries, and no disconnected systems with conflicting information. These integrations can dramatically accelerate your month-end close process. Many businesses are able to reduce their closing time from weeks to days or even hours because all the transaction data is already properly categorized and documented in their accounting system. Perhaps most importantly, these integrations ensure your financial reporting is always current and accurate, giving you the reliable information you need to make critical business decisions without waiting for the accounting team to catch up on data entry. This connected approach to expense management doesn't just save time, it changes how quickly and confidently you can respond to financial opportunities and challenges in your business. So there you have it. 7 ways modern expense management strategies transform expense management from a necessary evil to a strategic advantage from your business. If you found this information valuable, we'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. We release new content every week designed to help business owners like you build stronger financial foundations and make smarter decisions with your money. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.